today I'm sharing with you tips on how I install and improve the look of my wigs with this Jessie Selection unit. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sharon. For the best wig reviews and relaxed hair content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, click the bell so you're notified every week when I upload a video. You don't want to miss it. So first, you want to subscribe, and second, click that bell. Click it, subscribe, and click it, subscribe, and click it. And while you're at it, make sure you follow me on IG at Love Sharon Pratt for beauty, fashion, and lifestyle inspiration. So before I show you how I improve the look of my wigs, how I install it, the different things and steps I do to make my wig look better, I want to first give a huge thank you to Jessie Selection for sponsoring this video. So this stunning unit is from Jessie Selection, and this is their black and blonde body wave wig in inch 24. She is a closure wig and she is fabulous. Do you see her? Woo! I am so in love with this unit. So if you haven't already and you want more detail, more info on this unit, I did a full review. Go ahead and check it out. I tell you what I do and I don't like about the wig, all the info, the price, if it sheds, does it have a smell, the length, the thickness, the fullness, I go in. Also, I'll have all the information on this wig and Jessie Selection down in the description box below, so go ahead and check it out. Don't forget to use my discount code LOVE12 for 12% off your entire order. With that being said, let me show you how I improve my wig. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys what the wig looks like with just makeup. So at this point right now, I only have foundation on the lace, and I mean, it looks pretty good, but I want to go in and bleach the knots, and then I'll be back with the final results of the bleaching. To bleach the knots, today I'm using the BW2 bleaching powder and 40 volume cream developer. So this plastic container to mix the bleach in. Don't worry, I don't use this for food. This is only for my hair. Lovey, so I have the wig on. We are all styled up. We're looking good. I must say, I did this. Like, I did this. Okay, this unit looks so good, and I am so in love with how it turned out. I'm in love with the results. So those are my quick tips on how to improve the look of your wig and make it look more natural. So once again, I want to give a huge thank you to Jessie Selection for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys check out Jessie Selection as well as this unit. If you haven't already, go ahead and watch my previous video on this unit. Also, don't forget to use my discount code LOVE12 for 12% off your entire order. Comment down below and let us know one of your favorite things to do when installing your wig. What is a tip or a trick that makes your wig look realistic? Let us know. We need help. We want our wigs to look better and natural and flawless. So we need your help. So comment down below. Check out these videos next for more wig reviews and relaxed hair content. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and share it with all your friends. Thanks, lovies, and I'll see you in the next one.